Welcome to Boilers2Go. Is your thermostat not talking to your boiler? We will get your heating back on track quickly with these professional troubleshooting steps. A communication breakdown means you're shivering while radiators stay cold. Let's restore that connection and get you warm again with these simple checks. First, check those batteries. Dead batteries are the main cause. If your display is fading, swap them for fresh ones immediately to restore the wireless signal. Replace your batteries annually to prevent these glitches. Always use high-quality alkaline batteries for the most consistent power and a strong wireless signal strength. Next, consider the signal range. Thick walls or large metal objects can block the wireless path between your thermostat and the boiler receiver unit. Keep your thermostat in a central spot on an internal wall, within 30 meters of the boiler and away from drafty windows or heat sources. Check your settings carefully. Ensure your thermostat is in heat mode and the target temperature is set higher than the current room level to trigger the heating. Subscribe to Boilers2Go for more expert advice and keep your home cozy all year round. Thanks for watching, stay warm out there, and we'll see you soon.